Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm just here in my office. Nice shirt. I don't know if y'all have seen it. There's all my boxes. I keep things over there for kids and tax information and all that. Storage there, my printer. This is where I keep a lot of the items. The camera, some other things like that. But anyway, this is just a quick update. I got fire kits available on my website. Bunch of stuff in there. Even they include some tinder grenades now. I wanted to put 5, but I can only fit 4 in a bag, so quick tinder tabs, strike pads for the tinder grenades and stormproof matches. These are cotton rounds. I think they were used to take makeup off. I don't know, but they work good as fire starters when you dip them in matches. Dip them in wax. Strike anywhere matches, of course, fat wood, live fire. This stuff's great. It's a tinder grenade or a Fresno. I can't talk today. A Fresno lens, credit card thing, candle, and of course a ferro rod. So those are available on my website. The case they come in is very nice, crush proof, waterproof. Also have packs of tinder grenades, there's 10 in each kit. Bags of fat wood, of course, always good to have that added on to your order. It's only $5. But here's a couple of items for October. I'm trying not to see my toes there. But this is the knife. This is the main item for the prep box or mystery box. Very beefy, very tough knife. Condor has a leather belt sheath with it. They always make very nice things. I cannot talk today. They always make very nice things that are very good quality for a reasonable price. But here's the budget blade. I can get it out of here. It's by Kaiser. High quality stuff. They always make high quality things. A nice folder there. Just a pretty knife. Opens real nice. Real smooth. Kaiser, they always make good things. But I'm getting things packed up right now to ship October. But I'll show the rest of the items at a later date after this weekend, so everybody can possibly get their box before seeing the video. But that's it, just a quick update. Guess I can kind of show you my office if you want to see it. There's a bunch of boxes and things over there. I ordered these boxes because there's one thing for October that's pretty large. It's not the greatest thing in the world. I mean, the knife is the main item, so remember that. Bunch of different stuff, paperwork, tax stuff, blah blah blah. Fire kit making things. There's all some storage with my printer. Storage over here to keep items. Let's see, there's some little paracord making kit. So I make keychains and things like that, which I'll put on the website here soon too. Lots of different things, more storage, some prep stuff. You know, that's a little messy, but hey, it is what it is. Got my nice little poster there. But that's it. That's just a quick update. I want to keep everybody informed and seeing what's going on. And I guess that's pretty well it. And October will be shipping right now. November sales are open, along with a lot of other stuff on my website like the fire kits and things. So go check that out if you want. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, give it a like, and just remember, be ready.